the distributive property. Let A, B, and C be real numbers. Then if we have A times B plus C, this is equal to AB plus AC. Or I could write it the other way. I could have B plus C and then times A like that. And then I would still get AB plus AC, or I guess, yeah, we write them alphabetical. Some would say it's BA then CA, but it doesn't matter. If there would be a minus sign in here instead, then we would have A times B minus C is AB minus AC. Or the other option, B minus C times A is AB minus AC as well.
This looks easy. Is it going to get hard?
No.
This looks so hard.
Pretty simple.
I don't even know what does AB stand for? Addition and minus.
Let A, B, and C be real numbers. They are real numbers.
Yeah, addition and pathology plus air conditioning. That's what it means.
All right, a few definitions. Terms are parts of the expression
Why do you read so much?
that get added together. A coefficient is a number in front of a variable. A constant term has a number but no variable. And then like terms are terms that have the same variable. So we can only add things together if they are like terms. So they're either just constants or like the pieces, they just have an X on them. We can add those together, but I can't add something like X plus X squared. Like I can't combine that. But if I have X plus 3X, that's equal to 4X. All right, examples. Number 6, I have 8 times y plus 2. So we distribute. That means that we take and we multiply this by both pieces in here. So this is going to be 8 times y plus 8 times 2 is 16. So it's 8y plus 16. My teacher used to call this, her catchphrase to remember what to do when you distribute was be the rainbow. So that you would remember to multiply it through on both pieces. And there can be more than 2 things in a parentheses that's being multiplied. So if you have that, obviously you just keep going. But all of ours just have 2 pieces for today. 8 n plus 6 times 3. So this one's kind of like in reverse. So I've got 3 times n plus 3 times 6 is 18. So 3n plus 18. Yes.
When did you decide you liked math?
What?
When did you decide you liked math?
I've always liked math.
Oh, really? Like, you got
I watched calculus as a baby.
How do you watch calculus?
There was like somebody that had like recorded lectures in a classroom. My mom would like put it on TV and I'd watch it.
Wasn't it back then on the cable?
Well, yes, it was on cable.
When did Netflix come out?
I was probably in high school or college when it came out. Probably high school.
Blockbuster?
Huh?
Blockbuster, is that what it's called?
Yeah, it was across the street
Oh, it was.
by Food Lion.
I agree.
All right, s minus 9 times 9. What is this one going to be?
9s minus 81. Yeah.
14. Negative w times 2w plus 7. What would this one be?
Negative 2w to the second power plus negative 7w. Oh my gosh, I'm so smart.
Negative 2w squared minus 7w. If you have a variable times another variable, okay, it's like squaring them. So w times w is w squared. If you had w times w squared, then it would be w cubed.
So hold on, you went from negative w times
Wouldn't that be
2w plus
plus
7 to
negative
negative
w
2w squared.
Why do I need to write plus a
minus
negative?
7w?
A negative times a positive is a negative.
I know, but there's a plus in the middle, so you'd have to plus it. You'd have to plus a plus.
That's not plus a plus.
No?
No, because a negative times a positive is a negative. We don't write plus minus. You write one symbol.
Yes, but you write two parentheses like it half and rest.
Miss Stacy,
I don't know.
where did you get the squared?
W times 2w. Or, well, negative w times 2w. W times w is w squared.
Yeah, I'm
Hold on,
smart.
but then there's another w. Hold on, so negative w. Where is the other negative w?
What do you mean, where's the other negative w?
There's only one negative w, and then it's a positive.
It's multiplied by everything inside of the parentheses. Guys! If you're not asking me a question, we should be quiet.
I'm so confused.
You multiply what's outside by everything inside. Just like I've done on the last 3 problems.
Yeah, I got that.
18. Negative 3/4 times p minus 1. What is this one going to give me?
Negative 3/4 p plus 3/4.
Why didn't you tell me it was plus a plus? Because there's a negative and a negative, so I've got to write two signs in the middle.
Oh yeah, plus plus.
So you wanted him to say that, and then you're gonna roll your eyes at it?
No, because I was trying to prove a point that on the last one that what he was saying isn't right.
It is right.
Drew, if she said it ain't right, then it ain't right. Just accept it.
We don't write 2 signs side by side.
Yes, but you do the parentheses thing. Why
'Cause-
not the trash to add the parentheses thing?
Stop arguing with the teacher,
Oh,
bro.
so
What?
He means like when it was like 5 plus and then a negative
What?
on the test.
What?
Bro,
No, it was like 5 and then it was minus
what happened to basic
plus
math?
a negative
5
36 or
plus
something.
3.
What is basic math?
That was because we were dealing with adding and subtracting, and like you were learning how to add and subtract with positive and negatives.
This first one.
Divided by negative
This
4.
is 6th grade math. No, it's
This is
not.
not 6th grade.
We did this.
It is.
This is
We
not
did this
6th
in
grade.
6th grade. Yes.
Well, y'all are so smart.
Okay. Identify the terms, like terms, coefficients, and constant terms of the expression. 22. 9 plus 7y minus 2 minus 5y. Alright, so they want us to specify what our terms are. So my terms are 9, 7y, negative 2, and negative 5y. My like terms are 9 and negative 2, and then 7y and negative 5y. My coefficients are the numbers that are in front of a variable. So that's going to be 7 and negative 5. And then my constants
What's that taken from?
are going to be the numbers that are by themselves, so 9 and negative 2. All right, simplify the expression. So we're going to be combining like terms to simplify it down as much as possible. Probably some distributing in them as well. So 28. 7x plus, this is easy, negative 11x.
C plus parentheses negative.
That's not what you said though, and I'm not leaving my answer this way. You can't leave your answer with two signs side by side like that, because I'm going to combine these things. 7x plus a negative 11x is just 7x minus 11x. We can combine these because they have the same variables here. So this is going to be negative 4x.
Why does it put a box around your answer?
Because it's in math mode where it solves stuff. 30. 5 plus 2n plus 2. What would this be equal to?
7 plus
5
7 plus 2n.
plus 2 squared.
It's not squared.
That's what y'all did up there.
That's because this is.
I didn't just add anywhere up here.
Yeah,
Multiplied.
I'm still not getting the negative 2w.
Negative w times 2w
Yeah.
is negative 2 times w squared. Because w times w is w squared. Because like
So we're
4
getting
times
it.
4 is what?
4 times 4 is 16.
16. Okay. 4 squared is what?
4 squared is 16.
Okay.
Yeah.
So w times w is w squared.
So where did you get the third w?
Oh my god.
It multiplies by everything inside.
Oh.
Hence why I wrote this up here.
Well, wouldn't that be a negative 7 then? Because it's a negative w.
How are you in algebra?
Negative 7w is what I wrote.
I thought you should
You
add,
should be
set
like in
subtract.
1A and 1B, bro.
I'm confused. Okay.
Yeah, me too.
We're just going to keep moving. 32. 3 times 2 minus c minus c. I literally turned this off. Why is it still trying to help me do math? Okay. So I'm going to distribute first. So I've got 3 times 2, which is 6. 3 times negative c is negative 3c. Then I have a minus c out here. Now I can combine like terms, so I can combine these two things together. And I'm going to get 6 minus 4c.
Oh, because you added the c to.
Negative 3 minus 1 is what?
Oh.
I get that now.
I know what you did, Miss Daisy.
Wonderful.
Can I explain? Okay. So basically, you took that C and put it with the other C's, and that made it 4 C's.
Correct. I combined like terms. 34. 15t minus parentheses t minus 4. There is an implied 1 right here. The negative is getting distributed through everything. If you need to put the 1 there to have the visual, put the 1 there. So I'm going to copy down the 15t. Then I'm taking this negative 1 and I'm multiplying it by both of these things. So negative 1 times t is negative t. Negative 1 times negative 4 is a positive 4. Now I combine like terms.
Negative 14t plus 4. I did it.
No.
14t plus 4.
14t plus 4.
That's what I said.
You said negative 14t plus 4. We can play it back and find out
Yes, play it back. Play it back. Run it back.
after class. 38.
How many questions are there?
6 times 5 minus z plus 2z.
It's gonna be
30 minus 60 plus,
Z,
plus
2Z squared.
2z equals 8z. 30 minus 8z. Boom!
No.
30 minus 4c.
30 minus 4z.
That's minus 4.
6 times 5 is 30. 6 times negative z is negative 6z plus 2z. Negative 6 plus 2 is positive or is negative 4. 30 minus 4z.
I don't like this.
Yeah, me either. But I'm not whining about it, so.
You were literally.
All right. What is the perimeter of a rectangle?
Is that your wedding ring
Where?
on the screen?
No.
You know what that also looks like? A Dr. Strange ring.
It's my volleyball state ring.
Super Bowl.
All right. What is the perimeter of a rectangle?
X times
2L
times X.
What?
Dude.
X plus X plus
2
X
times
plus X.
L plus 2 times W.
What? Oh yeah.
The area of a rectangle.
2 times length plus 2 times width. 1 times L times W. There we go.
Just L times W.
Oh my gosh, I'm so smart.
All right, we're going to use those formulas to find the perimeter and area of the rectangle that they gave us. 40. This side is V plus 3. This side is 5.
We went over this last week.
Well, Drew, it does it for me.
How did you draw
We
so
went over
good?
this last week.
Oh my gosh, you're a magician.
I'm a magician. AI intelligence.
Draw your
Apple
best
intelligence
LeBron.
is a magician.
Draw stick figure.
Will it help you with LeBron? Like, if you start drawing LeBron, it'll help you.
I don't think so. All right. Perimeter is 2 times L. L is V plus 3. Plus 2 times W is 5. So I'm going to have to distribute. So this is going to be 2V plus 6. And then 2 times 5 is 10, so plus 10. So the perimeter is 2v plus 16.
How'd you get 16?
6 plus 10.
6 plus 10 is equal to 16.
Where'd you get the other shit from?
2 times.
2 times 3
What?
is 6.
Oh.
Now I need area, which is length times width. So this is going to be 5 times v plus 3.
5v plus 15.
5v plus 15. All right, any questions on this stuff?
So,
All right.
I don't want to make a whole scene, but like, how did you get 7W? I'm
Oh my
still on
gosh.
that. I'm not even joking around. Like, I'm being for real.
Because I take and I multiply
Still on
each.
this?
Guys, stop. I multiply each thing in here by what's outside. So I took this negative W and I multiplied it by 2W. So I got negative W times 2W.
All right.
Then I took it and I multiplied it by 7. So negative W times 7.
Mhm.
When I multiply these things together, negative W times 2W is negative 2W squared. Negative W times 7 is negative 7W.
Okay, I got it now.
Is that the only one you were confused about?
Yeah. Well, I mean, if I wanted to know the other ones, I had to know that one, so I wanted to go back to that one to know the other ones, and then now I know the other ones because I know that one.
No, I just didn't understand why that one particular problem was the hang up. That's why I was trying to find out.
Because I looked away and it was like n plus 6 times 3. I look away for like, and blink for like a second, and then this pops up, and I don't know. So
But
I
you're
have to-
tracking now.
I have to stare at them over that all the time.
I say
Okay. Problems are um 5 through 21 every other odd. And then 29 hold on. Through 41 every other odd.